Muskan Chanchlani and you're watching me on Femina.in. Today's video is on how to create this very party friendly makeup look. This look is perfect for New Year's, for your wedding season, for any party that you basically want to go for. So if you're interested, then please keep watching. First and foremost, prep your skin with a hydrating moisturizer or a primer. The next step is to apply foundation. I like to use a beauty blender, but you could totally use a brush or even your hands if that's what you're comfortable with. I like to then put on a hydrating lip oil. After this, I move on to concealer. Make sure everything is blended completely. I like to then apply translucent powder to set everything in. Now for my eyeshadow, I am laying down a nudish brown base. On the outer corner of my eyes, I am going to fill in with some black like this. Repeat the same on the other side. Glam this by adding some glitter to your lids. Time to groom your eyebrows. Now apply your bronzer to your cheeks in this manner. Add some color by applying blush to the apples of your cheeks. Now going back to the eyes, you can now line your eyes using a kajal or an eyeliner. It's time to highlight. Use a fan brush to add some shine to your cheekbones and your nose bridge. Now use a mascara to add some volume to your lashes. And then complete your look by applying a lip gloss. And there you go rock your party look.